Well, hey there folks, out here in the backyard, and it's May 1st, 2023. And as you might be able to tell, the weather's changed. Got some clouds rolling in, might get some rain. We've been in the mid 70s to about 80 degrees in the daytime here for about the last week or so. And the weather's calling for the 60s in the daytime now and in the low 40s at night. So you can see the old windmill there spinning. Cherry tree starting to get its leaves there. The grass is starting to green up. It's kind of patchy and whatnot still, but it's starting to get there. I just hope we don't get too cold of weather. Hope we don't get a frost or snow and it ends up killing everything. Here's my little ceramic, I guess it's ceramic or something or another, beehive here that birds go in every year. And she already laid eggs, and there's actually, I think, 2 or 3 babies in there. Looks like she just hatched them a couple days ago. The apple tree's getting some leaves on it there. Pear tree and whatnot. This is going to be a real short video here. But anyway, yeah. Trees are getting their leaves. And you can see the sky here. Let me get a view out here. You can see the sky. So it looks like it's coming in from the west, blowing eastward. Alright folks, we'll catch you later. Have a good one out there.